Hey guys, okay, so I figured today would be a great day to do another video and update you. We're well overdue on sharing a before and after of one of the mobile homes in Capitol Estates. If you haven't seen the video, actually, you might want to go to the YouTube channel, Walker Mobile Homes, and click on, I believe it's called Before Mobile Home Renovation Sacramento Mobile Home. It's the before video, and I'm going to show you before and after shots. But if you want to see the full scope of the before, take a look at that video and then watch this. I'm going to show you some photos that we had taken of what it looked like after our renovation. So come, let's go. Hey everyone, okay, so here we are, Space 40 in Capitol Estates Mobile Home Community. This is an all-age park. It's a great park. I'm going to walk you through this before shot. This is the condition that we sometimes get these mobile homes in. Okay, now we're entering the living room, which they've just decided to leave everything. Really cute little, I guess this is sort of a pantry. You can convert it to a closet or use it as Okay, we're entering the master. So it is pretty spacious. Unfortunately, they have different types of wallpaper. Wallpaper is new for me sometimes. But this could be a great one. Not going to be amazing. So hopefully you can see what we're doing here. This floor, there's probably a leak. We're having the HVAC system looked at. You can see. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button, and I would love your feedback and comments on what you thought of this renovation. So we'll see you soon.